The black hole theory bombshell. When theoretical physicists first suggested that CERN's particle collisions might actually spawn microscopic black holes, the scientific community didn't just raise eyebrows, they collectively held their breath. This wasn't some wild science fiction fantasy dreamed up by Hollywood writers. We're talking about legitimate Nobel Prize-winning scientists publishing peer-reviewed papers, claiming that when you slam protons together with enough raw energy, spacetime itself might collapse into infinitesimally small gravitational monsters. These aren't the massive stellar black holes that devour entire solar systems. We're talking about quantum-scale vortexes smaller than a single atom, existing for less than a trillionth of a second. But here's the absolutely mind-bending part. Even though they're microscopic, they still possess the fundamental properties of their cosmic cousins. They warp space-time, bend light, and theoretically could interact with dimensions we can't even perceive. The mathematics behind this theory are so complex that only a handful of physicists on Earth truly understand the implications. What makes this even more incredible is that these micro-black holes wouldn't behave like anything we've ever observed in nature. They'd be born, live their entire existence, and die in a time span so brief that light itself couldn't travel the width of a proton. Yet in that impossibly short moment, they might unlock secrets about the fundamental structure of reality that have puzzled humanity for centuries.